I said, we're coming to lift you, coming soon. We are not coming to impress you, not to sell you, but to see you, to honor you, to remind you, you were never meant to carry the world alone. I know you've been told to hustle harder, push longer, smile while you're tired, work while you're healing, produce while you're grieving. But today, we're flipping the script. Because you're not a product, you're not a data point, you're not a number in a system built to extract. You're a person with dreams, with pain, with purpose that can't be coded. And this new movement, this new company, this vision, it's not about replacing the old world, it's about restoring your place in it. No more selling your story for free, no more algorithms shaping your self-worth, no more silence when you speak your truth. We're building a platform where you come first, where your privacy is sacred, where your voice is amplified, not monetized, where your growth is the goal, not the gap in your wallet. And to the founders, the affiliates, the ones who waited, who believed before the proof arrived. We see you, we honor you, and we're lifting you up, not just in title, but in value, in wealth, in dignity. Because when the user wins, everybody wins. No shareholders screaming for more, just a circle of trust, where the more we build, the more you rise. So if you've ever felt invisible, if you've ever worked hard and still felt behind, if you've ever given your data but never gotten value in return, this is your reset. This is your return. This is your elevation. We're not just changing tech, we're changing lives. One mind, one heart, one family, one future. And right now, we're reaching down to lift you up. Not tomorrow, not when it's ready, now. Because you waited long enough. So stand tall, breathe deep, and know this: you're not climbing alone. We're right here.